Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. My wife purchased one box, buy one get one 50% off. So she bought one of this for me. It says, Jeff, what will we do without you? You are the best. Love. So this is Harry and David. It says fresh pears, fresh apples. Over 80 years of premium quality. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Open this way. Wow, what? Oh my goodness. Bring you the best since 1934. Just for you. And there's a coupon. Wow, they even have chocolate and popcorn. Wow, look at the apples. And these are the crackers. It's mixed nuts. Some of the nutrition facts. And there's this summer sausage. I don't eat sausage. It's cookies. It says raspberry. I wonder, yeah, all of them are the same raspberry. Yeah. What? Got one of the golden pear. The rest of them just I wonder why only one of them has a gold wrap. Let's see what's this one. Oh, sure. Oh my god. Ice pack. Oh, Moose Munch Premium Popcorn Milk Chocolate. What? Cheddar cheese? Uh-oh. This is chocolate cherries. Oh yeah, ASMR. Yes. This is all melted already. Oh my gosh. Let's check it out. I think that's it. Yep. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.